my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a DIY nail set for while you're in quarantine. I know a lot of us can't go to the nail shop, so let's get started. First, I'm going to be soaking my hands in this water base. Inside I have vitamin E oil from Trader Joe's and warm water. So I'll be soaking my cuticles to get them soft so that I can prep them to push them back. And I will also be listing everything in the description box that I will be using, just in case I don't mention it in the video. So now that that's complete, you're going to dry off your cuticles, and then you're going to get the cuticle pusher, and you're going to just begin to push your cuticles back to your preference. I don't like mine pushed that far back, but it's whatever you prefer. Once you do that, if you have any cuticles that are hanging or that you want to cut, I just grabbed the ones that were kind of like ragged or had like a little hang piece. I don't really like to cut my cuticles just because I know that it's not the best thing for your nail growth. But you again can do whatever you like best. And then you'll just continue that for each finger. So now that that's complete, I'm going to begin to file my nails down. You can file them down to your liking. I prefer to keep mine long just because I'm enjoying the nail growth that I'm seeing during quarantine. The one thing that I do enjoy about this style or this way to do your nails at home is that once these nails come off, you'll still have your nail growth. Your nails will still be thick once you take them off. And that's something that I really enjoy because one day I would like to wear my natural nails. When I go to the nail shop, they always file them all the way down, so they're like damaged and thin. But this way, when I take them off, my nails are still good to go. We begin to fit each nail with one of the fake nails just to fit in size before I get started. I don't want to get started with the glue and then have to be looking for my nails. And do keep in mind that the glue I chose is super sticky. Like if you get it on your fingers will be stuck together at that point. So do be very careful. This glue is very strong. And for gluing the nails onto your finger, do make sure that you put enough glue, just for the simple fact that I noticed for some of them I didn't put enough glue on the entire nail. You can't just put like a drop. You have to make sure that it's spread out throughout the nail, or else that's when you'll see that's not stuck all the way through and it may possibly come off, or that nail will come off faster than the other ones. But you can always glue it back on, but this is just so you don't have to go through that. Yeah. And that's the completed look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I do apologize that you guys missed that ending part when I actually did the nails and designed them. This style was super cheap to do. You don't need all the extra stuff I got. I just wasn't sure what I wanted when I got them, so I was like, let me just buy a whole bunch of stuff just to be sure. I'm going to place everything down in the description box. Again, don't forget to follow, like, comment, and yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Come back for more. Bye.